Ayan, nakakabit na kayo. So, mic check, mic check. So, malalaman natin kung anong mangyayari. First is, i-try natin yung sinasabi ito sa noise reduction. So, currently, naka-green siya. And it means na it's already paired kasi pagka this one is blinking, if that one is blinking, and the receiver is also blinking, it means hindi pa siya paired. So, let's try. Weak pa lang to na reduction. So, i-clip natin siya dyan para marinig nyo ako. So, let's try. I'm just not sure saan siya i-click. Dito? So, noise reduction 1. Oh, nag-blue siya. So, nag-blue siya means si Uncle to. Ewan ko, si Uncle ba to? So, try natin another one. So, ito na yung noise reduction. So, nag-blue ulit. Noise reduction. Ah, okay. Hindi siya sa mic ipipili. Dito siya i-click sa receiver. So, try natin si 1. Okay, so nag-twice blink na siya. Means medium na yung noise reduction niya. So, malalaman nyo kasi di ba may tumutunog sa Gedli. So, try natin another one. Click. Okay, so nag-twice na siya means this is the strongest noise reduction. So, try na natin yung voice AI. So, let's try to press it twice.
Wait, hindi ko alam ano nangyari.
Okay, nag-3 times siyang blink sa blue.
Okay, so I assume dahil nag-twice siyang blink sa blue, it means ito yung female voice.
So I think this is the original voice. Medyo kinakapagod pa, no?
So, nag-3 ulit siya. So, sabi kasi dito, pag nag-blink once means it's the uncle voice. Pero, hindi ko siya makuha. So, press twice quickly.
So this is the female voice.
And this is the original voice.
Original voice ulit.
Twice?
Thrice.
Thrice.
Uncle. Okay.
Nag-3 times blink siya, so it should be original. Kasi sabi dito Sabi dito, yan o. Hindi ko na malaman.
Okay, so this is the uncle voice. I think kasi nag-once lang siya.
So nag-twice, so this should be the female voice.
And thrice, this is the original voice. Nalilito ako sa kanya. Nakailang ulit ako, be. Pero ulit. Try natin ulit.
So this is one, should be the uncle voice.
Twice, this is the female voice. Pero yung female niya parang chipmunk.
Okay, so this should be the original voice again. Balik natin siya sa noise reduction 1. This is the noise reduction 2. And this is the noise reduction 3. So, malalaman natin. Medyo naguguluhan ako sa kanya. So, mahirap lang siyang i-familiarize. Pero, again, pagka naman nag-video ka na, siguro yung kung ano yung setup mo at first, yun na yung gagamitin mo all along. Okay. On my TNW, kung ano yung sinetup ko sa kanya na noise reduction, yun na yung gamit ko sa kanya all throughout. So, hindi ko na siya pinalitan, hindi ko na siya kung ano-anong settings ang ano, kasi tinap ko na rin yung manual nung TNW. Pero, there are tutorials naman out there. So, if ever man na may magbago or something, I can easily watch videos and recalibrate yung TNW na mic ko. Pero again, going back to our Boya. So, on our Boya, I think I will know what happens again. So, yung una medyo epic yung video natin nung una. Pero ito, this is part 2, I guess, of the Boya try-on. Try-on? So, the Boya mic. So, tinry natin yung noise reduction 1, 2, and 3 or the weak, medium, and strong. And also, we tried the AI voice, uncle, female, and original voice. So, we would know late pag-edit ako kung tama ba yung mga pinagagawa ni Budo Lilay. So, thank you mga bubu. Bye-bye! Hello.